What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use Canva for email marketing. So, for those who didn't know, Canva is one of the most flexible editing software at all times. So, I suggest that if you want to edit something or photos or videos, just go to Canva. It's free, so you don't have a problem on signing off. And then also, if you want to edit something, if you want to edit photos or infographics, Canva can give you a list of best template to use. So this software is pretty good. So if you want to do email marketing, just go to Canva and search for a design. So just search email and it will show you a bunch of templates or categories. Just pick anything you want, but I suggest to pick email newsletter template because its templates gives more email marketing vibes. So just choose any template you want. Nobody cares. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to customize this template. So that's basically it. You can just edit this one because Canva also gives you a bunch of elements that you can search and you can put to customize your template. So if I have a business about food, I can just make it like this using random fast food elements. So that's basically it. If you want to save it, just click this, save, click download so you can use it for your email marketing. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.